Alright guys, before we get into this video, I wanted to let you know that I did set up a brand new phone number that you guys can actually go and text me at. So the phone number is 407-250-7622. I'm looking at my phone, by the way, so I can read off the number to you. So again, 407-250-7622. And again, you can text me there. It's only, I think, United States and Canada, so you need a United States or Canada phone number. And yeah, then you'll be able to text me. I'll be able to respond. I'll be able to read every text that comes through. I'll be spending about an hour every single day doing that. This will be a good way for me to also come up with content for videos. So if you have like a specific topic that you want me to cover, you'd like me to share in a video, that'd be a great opportunity for me to do that. All right, guys, so today I'm gonna share with you some of my best performing stocks right now, and specifically, I'm gonna talk about 3 stocks that have really performed really well. So over the past month, we've done $4,792 primarily off of these 3 stocks that I'm gonna share with you. And primarily most of this was done within the last week, in fact, which is pretty insane. So guys, I've been getting big into the stock market, as you know. At the end of last year, I started to really take things seriously. I signed up for a stock market brokerage app called Webull, and I really liked their features of their app, and that's basically what I've been using to do all of my trades. I like them because they're commission free, and I like them because I could do it straight from my phone, which is nice because it just, you know, it saves a lot of time. I can make trades while I'm out of the office, and overall, I just really like it. I'll leave a link in the description of this video too if you want to pick it up. You get 2 free stocks when you open up an account, when you sign up for a new account. And the value of those stocks ranges from, I think it's like $1,400, but it might be different. They change it all the time. But anyways, check out that link if you want to sign up for that. I'll leave it below. I also have a tutorial on how to use Webull as well if you guys aren't sure how to use it. But that's what I'm using, and that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So I'm going to reveal to you what these 3 stocks are. Before we get into this, I do want to say thank you so much for everyone that commented on my last video about my dad. It really means a lot to me, and you know, just knowing that you guys are there for me really helped. I responded to as many comments as I could, but then it started to just, everyone was commenting and I just couldn't respond to everyone. But please know that I did genuinely read every single one of your comments, and it really helped me out. It really meant the world to me. So thank you so much for that. I'm doing a lot better now. Right now, I feel pretty good today. You know, I have days where I'm doing a lot better and days where sometimes I'm just not doing so well. But today I'm doing good. So I wanted to shoot a video and get something out for you guys, specifically what's been going on in my life. So I've been taking a lot of time off of work. We've been boating a lot. I've got a boat and we actually have it docked, and we've been boating a lot, which is nice because we don't have to launch the boat every single time. So that's been really fun and just kind of something to keep my mind off of things. So yeah. But I've also been dabbling a lot in the stock market, and that's what I want to share with you right now in this video. So as you can see on my phone here, you can see, let me get that to focus, $4,700 some dollars, 792. I think it says, it's backwards for me. And that was in the past month. Most of that income though was in the last 5 days, or in the last, I guess I would say, week, which is pretty insane to me. So I want to share with you what stocks have really made up for all of this. So I've got them on the screen here. I'm gonna not leave anything out. I'm just gonna reveal them to you. Now, by the way, just because I picked these stocks doesn't necessarily mean that you should, but I'm gonna explain them to you and why I picked them. So again, I'm not a financial advisor. You know, I picked these stocks because there were things that I was willing to bet on. I was willing to lose money on if things went south. Not necessarily saying that you should do the same thing, but this is what worked for me, and I mean, I'm glad that I did it now. So basically the 3 stocks are, if you saw on there, are UAL, which is Universal Airlines, DAL, which is Delta Airlines, and CCL, which is Carnival Cruise Lines. Now, the reason why I bet on all of these stocks is because obviously in a down market and all of that stuff, these were stocks that were sure to be winners. So obviously with the down market going on, I figured that these stocks were stocks that were going to be winners once the market went up again. And I viewed this as an opportunity to basically get an extreme deal. In fact, they were about, I don't know, 3 times lower than I've seen them in a long time. And you know, at the historic high that they were at, it was about 3 times lower. So I figured I could probably make 3x my money once things started to resume back to normal, once people started flying again, once people started to take cruises again. I just figured it was a surefire way to have success. Now, that didn't come without risk though, because I realized that maybe there was a potential that some of these companies would go bankrupt. You know, that's what it all comes down to when you're betting on stuff like this with the stock market and with just things that are risky. It's kind of like gambling in a way, in my opinion. And not when you're doing long term, but when you're doing stuff more short term like this. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Do you think I should sell these or do you think I should hang on to them? So right now, from Universal Airlines, I'm at a profit of $1,376.87. Delta Airlines, I'm at a profit of $1,081.14. In Carnival Cruise Lines, I'm at a profit of $1,294.04. Again, none of that would have been possible if these companies ended up going bankrupt, which would have really sucked. But I knew that, I figured that people would begin traveling again, they would begin flying again, things would go back to normal. Now, one thing that I did I'm really glad about is I talked to my friend Nick from Offline Sharks. You guys have seen Nick before on the channel. And I was telling him about like kind of my theory about with the airline thing. And originally I was just gonna go into Delta Airline, and Nick was like, you know, why don't you take that money that you're gonna put into the airlines? And I think I stuck about $5,000 into the airlines. He said, why don't you split it up between Delta Airlines and United Airlines? So that's what I did. I stuck about $2,500 into Delta. I stuck $2,500 into United Airlines. And again, we were at a profit of almost $1,400 with United and almost $1,100 with Delta. So an extreme payoff for both of those two. And I'm really glad that I did that. Those have been some of my top 3 performing stocks over the past 30 days. As you can see, I've been pretty aggressive with the stock market, going after things that I think are going to pay out a huge reward. And I haven't been really shy about throwing money at it. You know, I'm not afraid to bet $5,000 on that. And, you know, maybe it works out, maybe it doesn't. But I really had a strong gut instinct that it would. So anyways, guys, those are kind of the stocks that I've been messing around with and sticking money at, and that's how it's worked out for me, and it's been really nice, especially while I've been kind of taking some time off to have some extra income coming in that way. That's been great. Also, big shout out to my entire team that's been helping out while I've been taking time off. I've had some, you know, great friends like Nick and John Shea, you know, both who have been great during this and, you know, offered to help out with anything I need help with. But I really appreciate that. So shout out to you guys. Also, shout out to my team, Leo, Gerald, just everyone on my support team and who helped me with my videos, and David, who helps me out as well with my content and with Instagram. Like, shout out to all you guys. It really helps out just a ton, and it made things very easy for me to take time off of work when I needed to. And thank you for all of you guys watching as well, for sticking around with me and understanding when I needed to take some time off. You know, it really means a lot, and I'm excited to get going again with content. So here's what I need from you guys. Let me know what you want to see on the channel in the future. Like, what other content do you want to see me do? I know the last video I did on the stock market did really well, so I thought I'd share with you just a little bit into my life of what's working. But let me know if you want to see some more tutorials, if you want to see like a day in the lifestyle video, some vlogs, just like what's going on. Since I've been taking a lot of time off, I've been doing a lot more fun things. Like I said, boating and stuff like that has been pretty fun, just to kind of keep my mind off of things. Anyways, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, tick the bell notification icon. If you're not following me on Instagram yet, you should go follow me there. My handle is @HelloPaulJames, and I post different content there than I post here. And also, I'm gonna give you that phone number again if you wanna go ahead and text that phone number. It's a special line I set up. I'll be spending an hour a day on that line texting you guys. I will send out special announcements on that line as well when I have things going on, exclusive things, get early access to things that no one else is seeing. And that line is 407-250-7622. But anyways, guys, that is all for today's video. We'll see you in another one. I am Paul James. Peace out.